Let's discuss some related question about binary tree. The question is, how many different binary trees are possible for a on-level tree with 3 nodes? Okay, this question is given how many binary trees possible for a on-level tree with 3 nodes. So what is the question means? First you understand the question. Okay, you already know what is the binary tree. Binary tree means it at most two children, that is 0, 1 or 2. It allow at most 2 children, every node having at most 2 children. Then the question is asked, simple question is asked, using 3 node how many binary tree are possible? Okay, using 3 node how many binary tree is possible, but the node having on label means we cannot mark. Okay, the node having not any label or not any name means we have to simply represent the node like this. We cannot label or cannot mark it like A or B. Okay, we cannot mark this. We simply it is on label. No name is given. So using on label means this is not a distinct node. Okay, this is not a distinct node. This is a same node. Each node having not label. So how many trees possible using 3 node? See here. Means we have to draw a binary tree. Okay, suppose I am drawing first. I am drawing one node is there, one node is left child, another node is the right child. So this is using 3 node. I am considering this is one binary tree. Any other combination is possible? Yes. Suppose I am a root node is there. I am draw this, a root node is there. One is left children, another also another left children. This is also a binary tree because binary tree having 0, 1 or 2 children. Here each node having 1 children and leaf node having 0 children. Okay, this is also a binary tree. Next, suppose I am drawing like this. Suppose this is a tree, another is right children and another is right children. This is also a binary tree, each node having 1 children. Okay, any other combination is possible? See, suppose I am drawing like this. Suppose this is a node is there, one children is left, another is right. Can it a binary tree? Yes, it is also a binary tree. This is also a possible. Next, can any other is possible? See, suppose I am drawing like this. One root is there, one is right, another is left. Can it is a binary tree? Yes, it is also a binary tree. Okay. Can any other combination is possible? See here. No other combination is possible. So how many binary trees are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So using 3 nodes. Okay, using 3 on label nodes. Very important. It is on label nodes. Okay, using 3 on label nodes, how many trees possible? We have draw 5 number of binary tree. So what is your answer? Answer is 5. Okay, answer is your 5. Using 3 on label nodes, we have to draw 5 number of binary tree. Suppose the question asks it increases the number of nodes to 4 or 5. Then how to calculate? Okay, for 3 node we have to calculate 5 binary tree is possible. Suppose for 5 node, question is for 5 node how many binary tree is possible. So how to calculate? If you draw like one node, this is a very difficult to check if the node is increased. If you draw like this and very difficult to check if the node is increased. So there is a formula is also there. From less number of node we have to draw and count how many binary tree is possible. For if the number of node is increased, is very difficult. So a formula is there. The formula is 2n cn divided by your n plus 1. This is a combinatory series. Okay, this is your combination, permutation or combination. This is your combination formula, that is NCR, or this is 2n n plus 1. So apply for 3 node. We already check it is 5. Check by the formula it give the result or not. So what is 2n? If n equal to 3, if n equal to 3, then 2n equal to 6. C 3 2n cn divided by n plus 1. What is n plus 1? It is 4 or not. Okay, so calculate what is the result here. 6, 5 and 2, 4. You apply the formula here, NCR 1, 2, 3. So I am cancelling 2, 3, 6. then this is 4, so that I am calculating 4, 1 by 4, then total is 5. Okay, the answer is 5. Match or not? Similarly for 5 node, check what is the formula here, 2n cn, so n equal to 5. So what is the 2n? That is 10, 2 into n, 10 c 5. Okay, 10 c5 divided by n plus 1, that is 5 plus 1. Okay, 6. So if you calculate this NCR, we have to find the result is 252. Okay, NCR, that divided by 6, and the total result equal to 42. Using 5 nodes, 5 on label nodes, means each node having no label or no name, on label nodes. Using 5 on labels nodes, we have to draw or you have to create 42 different binary trees. This is your answer for 5 nodes. Okay, similarly if the node is changes, we have to put the formula. Okay, put the n value in this formula and get the answer. Okay, so next question is, how many distinct binary tree or different okay, this is a question, how many distinct binary tree are possible with 3 distinct nodes or 3 label nodes? Previously it asks 3 on label nodes, it here asks 3 distinct nodes or 3 label nodes. That what is the means of this, or what is the difference between previous question? Previous question you have to not mark or not label any node, but here node are labeled. That means I am writing, if a node is A1, another node suppose giving A2, another node is giving A3. That means these 3 nodes are distinct. These 3 nodes are different to each other, or 3 nodes are labeled. That means 3 distinct nodes. This node are labeled different, this node labeled different, and this node labeled different. So using 3 distinct node, how many binary trees possible? Or using 3 labeled node, how many binary trees possible? Okay, so in this type of question, how to solve it? Let's check for n equal to 1. Okay, suppose there is one node is there. So how many binary trees possible? For one node, suppose I am writing what? A1. I am giving the label is A1. So using one node, only one binary tree is possible. Okay, so suppose using 2 node. So if you label the node, that is one is A1, another is A2. Using these 2 label nodes, how many binary trees possible? If you draw the binary tree, suppose this is A1, I am giving the left child A2, or I am giving A1 and right child is A2. Okay, any other possible? Yes. If I am, this is A1 is root. If I am changing the root A2, then A1 is left, A2, A1 is right. Any other possible? No. Any other combination possible using these 2? No. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Using 2 distinct or label node, how many binary trees are possible? 4 number of binary trees are possible. Here the 4 number of binary tree. If it is unlabeled, then only 2. But it is labeled, means A1 as a root, I am taking 2 types. A2 as root, I am taking 2 types. This is 4 type. Okay. Next, let's increase the number of nodes. N equal to 3. Then how many binary trees are possible? The question is asked for 3 distinct nodes. That means I am taking one is A1, another is A2, another is your A3 or not. So this is the 3 distinct nodes. So using 3 distinct nodes, how many trees possible? Let's see. So let's see, using 3 nodes, how many binary trees possible? I am taking A1 as root. Okay, suppose at the left side I am giving A2 and A3 in the left side, and right side is null. No child is there. So see, using A2 and A3, how many, if 2 distinct nodes are there, how many possible binary trees, how many combination of binary trees there? There is 4. You already calculated. Using 2 distinct nodes, 4 number of binary trees possible. That means if you give left side at A2 and A3, the total how many combination is generated by using this 4 or not? Okay, A1 as root, if left side is A2 and A3 and we changes A2 A3's position like this, So using A2 and A3 4 type is possible. Then total how many trees possible using left side A2 and A3? Total 4. Okay. Similarly, if A1 is there and the left side is null and right side I am giving A2 and A3. Okay. Similarly, using A2 and A3 right side, how many possible combination is there? 4 possible combination is there. That means if you create the node like this, A1 as root and A2 and A3 are the right side, total 4 possible combination are there or not. Okay. Then if I am taking A1 as this, A2 as its left and A3 as its right, this is one combination or not. Okay. Similarly, I am taking A1 here, A3 as left and A2 as right. This is one. Okay. So how many total trees here? Add all these. 4 plus 4, 1 plus 1, total equal to 10. But here concentrate here. A1 as root, A2 and A3 are the children. We find total 10 number of tree. That means if A1 as root, how many trees possible? 10. If I changes the root as A2 as root, how many trees possible? Again 10. Similarly, A2 as root, A1, A3 as left side, A1, A3 as right side, and A2 as root, A1, A3, A2 as root, A1, A3, A1. Similarly, you have to change. So A2 as root, we also find 10 number of binary tree. Similarly, A3 as root, how many trees possible? 10 number of tree. Okay. Any other possible combination? No. A1 as root 10, A2 10 and A3 10. So how many total trees possible? Total 30 number of trees possible for A1, A2, A3. If you take the 3 label node or 3 distinct node, total 30 number of combination is possible. Okay. So clear? So if the question is asked, if for 4 number of nodes, okay, 4 number of distinct node, how many possible combination are there? So for this there is also a formula. The formula is for n number of distinct node. For n distinct node or n label node, there is 2n factorial by n plus 1 factorial number of binary trees possible. Distinct binary tree is possible. Check for 3. For 3 I am applying 2n factorial. 2 into 3 means 6 factorial. N plus 1 factorial. 3 plus 1 means 4 factorial. So what is your 6 factorial? 1 into 2, 3 into 4 into 5 into 6, and this is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So I am cancelling this. So this give what? 30 or not? Answer 30. So I am checking this way also 30. So if you put the formula, it get the answer equal to 30. So suppose n equal to 4. So n equal to 4, you have to calculate what is 2n factorial. 2n what is 8 factorial. N plus 1 factorial, that is 5 factorial. If you solve this, we have to find 336. That means using 4 distinct node or 4 label node, we have to find 336 distinct binary tree. Okay, so this is the formula for n distinct node.